if you want to create a new economy, an alternative economy that is more fair, it's more free, it's more efficient, it's open to everybody, the first thing you need to do is just help millions and millions of people in the world get access to cryptocurrency and just store it securely. And then we need to start to be able to enable people to use it and also to earn it, because not everybody has disposable income to actually invest in cryptocurrency. They might need to earn it by doing a job or completing a task. And lastly, we need 1,000 companies to get built that start to accept cryptocurrency and use it for a true economy to be built, because an economy is made up of thousands and millions of participants, not just one company like Coinbase. It's also this other trend that's happening, which is the growth of smartphones. So increasingly, even the poorest people in the world have access to the internet and smartphones, and they can now have a bank in their pocket. That's really the opportunity. That's the secret that Coinbase is founded on, the belief that right now, at this moment in history, because cryptocurrency got invented and everybody in the world can have access to a smartphone, we can inject economic freedom really into all these countries around the world. Cryptocurrency is now even helping fight inflation. So stable coins are being sent into places like Venezuela.
Going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
And so we'll import Chinese-based CBDC technology. So it's going to be CBDC in a box provided to you by the People's Bank of China.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world really works. And it's definitely time for you to wake up out of that sleep, especially in the times that we're in right now. I told you at the beginning of the year, in the first quarter of 2022, we was going to have an event that was going to bring us down. And then also in the fourth quarter, we would have an event that would bring us down. That's exactly what happened. And now I'm going to tell you, in the first quarter, we're going to have an event that's going to bring us down in 2023. And then also in the fourth quarter of 2023, we're going to have another main event. Now, of course, guys, the markets are still going to be pumping and dumping until they get ready to pull the full rug. But I'll let you know when that's about to happen. Now, also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 kids books. It's time to get re-educated. And also, much love to those who donate to the Cash Shop and Patreon. And in my Patreon, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. Also, I give you the New World Order cryptos in the Patreon. Of course, you have to do your own research. But this next bull run is going to be a utility run. So you want to make sure that you have the cryptos that have utility. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
And right now, guys, we have Bitcoin, cryptos, and stocks pulling back. Now, we have Bitcoin Lightning keeps growing behind the curtain. And we know Bitcoin Lightning is another tool that they're using to move stable coins. And we also have Blackrock back on the scene. Starts metaverse-themed ETF. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates which pull back slightly, but we have the dollar is getting stronger, and we saw stocks pull back after gaining early. And then, of course, guys, we have Tether, USDC, and we have the Fed. Repo still over $2 trillion. As we can see, it moved up about $100 billion. And don't forget, the central banks are not done yet. They're still raising rates and running off the balance sheet in order to destroy this legacy market. So therefore, the fourth industrial revolution can rise. Whether robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy, pay each other with crypto, and the sheep go inside the metaverse. Now we have Maxine Waters calls for regulators to come together in order to deal with crypto. And guys, we know crypto means hidden message, hidden meaning, because these cryptos are for the robots, algorithms, and drones. And we know stable coins, CBDCs, are illegal in Europe and in the United States. So we know with all these distractions, with the crashes in crypto, that's going to be used in order to push regulation in order to get these crypto stablecoin CBDCs into law. We know what they did in 1913. Now, guys, don't forget about Grayscale, sitting at about $20.6 billion. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Galaxy Digital acquires institutional crypto firm for $44 million, GK8, and of course, they were a part of Celsius in the bankruptcy, and they were approved to buy GK8 back in December. Now, we have Spotify's testing Web3 wallet integration. And guys, we're already seeing our NFTs are going to change up the music industry forever. Now we have Hong Kong continues to build. Gate.io is landing in Hong Kong. Also, we have Tencent Cloud signs multiple collaboration agreements with blockchain firms. And we went over Anchor. We have Avalanche, Scroll, and Sui. Now we have German DZ Bank as digital currencies to asset management services. And we also see Germany leading the way in this digital transformation. And lastly, guys, we have Coinbase launches Layer 2 blockchain called Base to provide on-ramp for Ethereum, Solana, and others. And it is built on Layer 2 Optimism. And guys, at the beginning of this video, I played that video about 3 years ago on Brian Armstrong talking about building this new digital economy. And as we can see, they're almost done. And then also I connected it with Andreessen, my guy. And guys, we can see this technology is being used to enslave the masses. We can already see the kids already enslaved inside of their phone. Remember, technology can be used for good or evil. And we always hear about banking the unbanked. And crypto, guys, is all about enslaving the unslaved. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The stock channel, guys. Don't forget to go like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get on stocks, the Seaver, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.